Just give me one moment. Yeah, people who have raised their hands, I'll call you one by one and you can ask your questions. Yeah, before that, guys, yesterday a lot of you, I requested you, but most of you didn't fill the Google review. I'll just share that link again. Please help me by uh, filling some positive review, writing something good about the overall program that is going on, because this may help other people who will enroll, and it obviously enhances my credibility as a mentor as well. So please do that. I'm just looking at that link. I'll share it on the group. The first person may go ahead in the meantime. Om Prakash, please ask your question.
Jain sir.
Jai Hind.
Sir, my doubt is from yesterday's session.
No,
Sometime,
no.
sir,
I told you the rules. Only interview today.
yes, sir. Actually, what happened that my mic was not working. You gave me chance, but I think my mic was not working, and
अच्छा,
I was
बोलो
unable.
बोलो.
Yes,
ठीक है, जल्दी बोलो.
sir. Suppose there are some SRTs like my computers crashed or it stopped working suddenly.
Hmm.
And there can be multiple reasons for that. Sometimes it's just that plug that switch on switch off, we do it and it is again start working properly. And sometimes
Okay.
there are major problems and we'll
Don't
have to
explain
call a
in detail. मुझे
technician.
पता है. You
Yes
just
sir.
tell me your
so
doubt. ऐसे question
so
आया था.
sir, how should
हाँ.
we? Yes sir. So
So
how
you
should
tell
we
me.
approach these kind of SRTs?
अरे you are asking one question for your own situation. तुम बताओ. You answer me ना. I know the answer what I would do, but I want to know what you would do in that situation. Computer खराब हुआ
so,
क्या करोगे? There may be
so
100 reasons you are only selling. What is the first step?
I will first switch on and switch off. If it is working well, then I will go ahead with my work. If
If it
not,
is
then
still
I
not
will ask
working,
my. Then I will go to my friend, do my important work. If it is important, then I will call technician and make it repair as soon as possible.
तो बस आंसर हो गया. Why are you asking it when you know it?
So should I write all these
Yes,
things?
up to
Uh,
you. Whatever you would do in that situation, you write here. That is how SRT works. You are in that place.
like yes,
What will you
like
do?
that. I can write that my laptop I did on and
You can
off,
write anything. Don't
and
ask me. I will not tell whether you can write this or that. What you would do in that situation, you should write. That's all.
but won't it be
You
overly
don't need to
negative
care
that?
about that. Whether it will
Okay, sir.
frame a positive impression, negative impression, that is not your worry. You giving your
Yes, sir.
natural response, your true response is the only thing in your hands, and that is the only thing expected out of you.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
That is the. Matlab, I'm being a little too straightforward and blunt because a lot of misconceptions are already there. अगर मैं अभी ideal answer दूंगा तो you will go and write the same thing. But in reality, you wouldn't do that. You as a person have a different approach, na? You would maybe
Yes,
troubleshoot
sir.
it first. You would switch on, switch off. You would call a technician. You would ask your friend for help. Whatever you just told, that is your approach. My approach will be completely different. So I don't want to give you a model answer or as a framed response. That is harmful. Whatever you would do, I have already told you the structure कि छोटे छोटे phrases में all the actions that you take you can just write without caring a lot about the grammar or beauty of expression. You can write, that is all, and write as quickly as possible and move on to the next question. That is the
So
simple rule.
I'm in little confusion now.
Yeah.
I should approach this question like this: that I did on and off. I called technician. I went to my friend, do my work. Is it okay, or should I elaborate that what happened
A
after
little
that? I did
elaborate,
switch
like
on, switch off.
going to a friend मतलब क्या? Ask him for help or just give the laptop to him. थोड़ा वो पढ़ने से पता चलनी चाहिए कि तुम क्या क्या करोगे. Like turn on turn off is very simple. Restart करने से शुरू हो जाती है तो self explanatory है. And then calling a technician and asking for help, obviously calling support or taking the laptop to a nearby service station, all that is true. And you are taking a lot of time. Don't waste. अगर यही
Okay,
डाउट
sir.
फिर से
Okay, sir.
पूछना है
Okay,
तो
sir.
बाद में. Bye.
No, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. David, go ahead.
Jain sir.
Jai Hind.
Sir, I had a doubt in a personal interview.
Hmm.
If an in the IO asking rapid fire question and stressful question, how should we handle, sir?
Stressful questions. How will you handle? You tell me.
I don't know, sir. I just asking
What do
you.
you mean by handle? Stress में क्या करोगे? Why are you feeling stressed?
Stress.
Answer me that first.
Uh,
before he thinks, all of you, please give that review. I have shared the link on the announcements group again. Please click on it and give a positive 5-star review with any comment that you want to add, please, because it helps me if you do it. So while I'm taking questions, all of you, please go ahead and do that. बाकी yeah, David, सोच लिया स्ट्रेस क्यों हो रहा है?
Yes, sir.
बताओ.
Sir?
You asked me
Sir,
how do
can
you
you
handle
get
stress,
my
but why
question?
are you feeling stressed in an interview, that too? There are no bullets, there are no bombs around you. Why are you feeling stressed?
I mean, he asking an emotional questions or something
Like?
repeated questions.
No. Okay. Same question, even if it is asked 100 times, your answer will not change. No. What is the problem in facing repeated questions?
For example, you also said, if interview officer asking, "I'm marrying your sister, what will you do?" Or something you.
Why is that a problem?
How
Why
should
are you
we
being
answer, sir?
uncomfortable answering such questions?
How
You
should
tell your
we
honest
answer, sir?
response. No. What will you do if the interviewing officer is telling, I want to marry your sister? What is your natural response?
I'll say no.
Okay, say no. What is the stress in it?
Not a
You are
stress,
telling
sir.
how to handle stressful questions. Now, what is a stressful question?
If we asking personal questions like if you
Personal क्या
want
होती है? In the armed forces, there is no personal and professional. The line is very, very blurred, and there is no such private life. You are a family when you join, and all your seniors, juniors, your troops are part of your family. So they know everything about your personal life also. So you better be prepared to share everything from now only.
But interview officer is not a friend, no, sir. He's an officer.
So what? He will be your colleague, he will be your senior official after you join.
Okay.
No, there is no such thing as handling stressful questions. If you are feeling stressed, then you are already mistaken, because either you are uncomfortable answering some questions, which is a negative thing, or you are either not prepared at all, which is also a big negative thing, or you are not just able to come prepared enough. Again, stress हो रही है तो already you are not there, you are not well prepared. Stress होना ही नहीं चाहिए. Your better question could have been how to make sure that I don't feel stressed in the interview.
Okay.
There is no such stressful question as such. There may be questions where he is trying to put some pressure on you and see how you react. In that sense, yeah, there is that stressful line of questioning. But how do you react to it? If you are well prepared, if you know about yourself, if you are confident, then there is no stress at all. You will be handling it with a smile only. So prepare overall well. There won't be any stress at all.
Okay, sir.
But don't extend this. I've answered this very well. Don't ask the same question. Do you have any other question apart from this? Yes, David, are you there?
Sir?
Yeah.
I answer, but not now. It's
Okay. Like, be very quick here. Don't waste others' time. Tanish, go ahead first.
Jain, sir.
Jai Hind.
Sir, my question is regarding the interview process. And actually, sir, I've played national in basketball and state level in football. So when the interviewing officer sees this in my PIQ form, he would feel that this is a very athletic kind of guy. But sir, the problem is that yesterday while playing badminton, I twisted my knee so badly that the doctor has said to take me a rest for 1 month. And so my SSB is on in 1.5 months. So it would be very evident that I will not be able to perform at my peak potential during that GTO
So
task.
what? See. All this again. You will also tell this during the interview. You are a national level player, but it will also come in some part of the interview where you injured yourself last month and you are not able to perform because of an injury. That is also coming out. So why is that a problem?
So I think, you said that he will already know that how I have performed in GTO task. So
in some sense, yeah. See, your GTO performance does not have a lasting impact on your interview. Your GTO performance will have an impact on the GTO's assessment only. But there has to be consistency, that is all. And they are looking at your qualities, not your physical potential, anyway. So it does not matter. Even if you are injured, if you are doing your indoor tasks, and even in outdoor, they are looking at your inner qualities only. They are not looking at physical prowess anyway. So if you have an injury, that is all right. Recover well, take good rest. Try to not put stress on it. वो ज़्यादा और aggravate मत करना. When you go, be decently prepared to perform to your best. There is no
Thank
such
you,
thing
sir.
as he already has a lot of expectation because you are a national player. Nothing. They will also know that you are injured recently. तुम GTO को तो बताओगे ही when you go.
Sir, will
Yeah.
you directly ask me that
It
about
will
my
come out.
performance?
Yeah, in GTO definitely. Before the outdoor tasks start, any GTO will definitely ask whether you are all fit, whether you are ready to do outdoor tasks, any injuries, anyone not feeling well. ऐसे तो पूछते ही है. Or even if they don't ask, you can tell yourself.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.